Hey, 1530 classmates. Hey, this is our question on 6.4 of grade distribution. For this problem, the final grades are such that 20% are A, 40% B, 30% C, and 10% D. The grade point average are 4 A, 3 for B, 2 for C, and 1 for D. Alright, and it asks us to do the probability distribution for the grade point average of a randomly selected student of this instructor. Find the mean of this probability. So I end up going building a table, just a regular X and my f of X table. So X is going to be my random variable. So this is a normal random variable. It's normally like a single variable. It's something by chance. So that's what the problem's kind of telling us. It's specified the probability distribution for the grade point average of a random selected student. So it's kind of telling us that this is a random, right? So this is our random right here, right? And then the f of X, that's our probability distribution. That can be in a graph, table, or the function f of X, right? So anyways, just go ahead and just build in this f of X table here. So my X values, when I filled them out, I ended up doing just putting D, C, B, and A. And A, they said was 4, so it'd be like an A, 4.0, 3, a 2, and a 1 would be a D. And then my f of X values, right? This is random, and this is my value for f of X was 10% for D. C ended up being 30%, 0.3. My B was 40% people got a B, so it was 4.4. And A, 20% ended up getting an A. So this is my plugin. So this is my random, right? And then this is my probability distribution. This is the chance of that X happening, right? Anyways, just putting it in, plugging it in the TI-84. Get it over here. Went ahead, going to Stat, Edit, built my table right here. So I got my L1 values right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, L2 values. So 1 was a D, was at 10%, and 4 being an A, which was 20%. And then going to Stat, going over to 1 bar Stat, and then put parentheses, second, L1, comma, second, L2, close that off, enter, and there we go. And that's what they end up asking. The TI-84, the one's kind of like mine. I end up going, do that 1 bar stats here. And then once I did that, I just put for my list, I put L1, and then for my frequent list, I put L2. Put that in there, and I get the same results. So I hope that helps.